Pattern interrupts are one of the most important tools that you can have as a human being to get access to happiness. Because people have been being taught that happiness relies on everybody else but themselves. And I'm going to fast forward your life a lot if you believe what I say. Remember, I tell you, choose to believe. If you believe what I'm about to say right now and take it into your life is going to be happier a lot quicker. Ready? The only person responsible for your happiness is you. Okay? Nobody can make fun of you. You hear words, interpret it, give it meaning, don't choose to be responsible, blame the other person. Nobody can make you upset. Nobody can pressure you. Anybody been pressured? Never happened. Sorry. A responsible adult will understand that when the choice was to be made in a situation where you feel like you're being pressured, instead of making a choice that benefited you, you made a choice that benefited somebody else in that moment, and then later on, instead of looking at yourself and going, why did I make that choice? Why did I sign that contract? Why did I do this? Why was I intimidated? What's going on in here so I can become stronger? All you just have to do as a human go, he pressured me. And it's done. Yeah, exactly. It's funny because that's all it is. Done. Over. Except your life, your happiness, your joy, your commitments, the great things you want to do, the next decision that you make. All that stuff, it's kind of pressed down.